Money men mill about Monday morning, another knew nothing and never nearer. Consumed at the cost that it's currently costing, I don't dare dig any deeper down. I don't have the headspace. I don't understand all the figures and facts. It'll spin around till I start panic attacking. But there's one curveball that stakes my soul. Let me live out life and I'll stay control. If you take that away, I'll never get dressed. Money men milling in Monday morning. I will go spank or I will raise warning. I'm nothing but me and mine. So yeah, I'm pretty gone. We do know who, and God knows what. Don't tell me I'll return at any hour. Fuck all your law. Fuck your yeah, I'm pretty gone. We do know who, and God knows what. Don't tell me I'll return at any hour. Fuck all your law. Fuck your power. My name's Magic and it's mud. I do bad things but I can rob. They don't buy anything, they watch it see. For their time is the commodity. The gap between art and artist grows. I never know why I ever wrote this prose. I write this rubbish, but believe you me, I've just never been keen on tasting red mist. But put the orange suit on, shackle my ankles, I couldn't take that. I'm fucking clear.